Oh my god, I just realized the light is doing me so dirty so dirty right now. I look like I'm from Twilight. Okay. I have had to re-record this so many times, like an ungodly amount of times. So hopefully this is the last time I have to. Yeah. So what you're gonna do first is you're gonna get a little red piece, this long one that's like this. I guess it's not little. And it should go off the edges like this. There you go. Yeah. And then and obviously you can use whatever you want. And you can, like, also, just so you know, these flat pieces are only because I couldn't find the right pieces. Like, I couldn't find just the ones with the little things on them to stick things onto each other. So you just use whatever you want. I placed a 4x2 and then this long bit that went there. I got a third long bit. I'm gonna place it right there. And then I got this piece. And right now it should probably look like this. So yeah, got this piece. Stick it right in that part. 4x4, stick it there. You can just watch another 4x, I guess 2. And this thing, and this part goes off the edge like that. And then you have the second one that I placed on here. You got this. Second one that I placed on here is exactly the same as the one, like this one. Okay, so now you have a fill-out tile for his skin. Dang, that is sad. Subscribe, please. Like, I actually had to record this so many times. Thank you. Okay, we're gonna move on to the next part. Hi. Okay, so now keep this piece in mind. You can see the amount of dots. There are 8 little thingies. This, so just so you know, do not stick it like this onto it. Don't do that. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna get these pieces and gonna stick them on. So sorry, just need to make sure I put them on correctly. So that 2 kind of, like, it's out like this. So 2 of it and then 2 of it. And then you got this. This piece is exactly the same, so it's like that. And then you can actually put this part behind it like this. Yay! Okay. And now you are going to be putting this piece on. And of course, as always, you can use whatever you want. And it throws me off because this looks backwards in the screen, but like this long strip, and get a tiny little nib piece like that and put it right there. And then you can do that same kind of piece thing on the other side like that. And then you're gonna get a long piece like this. This is an 8x2, I guess, as well. So you're gonna put that at the bottom. Probably no one's gonna watch this video, but that's okay. You're gonna get a like 4x2, put it right there. And then a square piece right here on it. But of course, just use whatever you want. A long piece, and it should be basically the amount of space that is right here. Yeah, so you got this. You're gonna have this piece. It's kind of like a, it'll be easier to see. It's like kind of like a chip. Yeah, you're gonna put it right in there. Yay! Yippee! And then you got this little nib piece. Now this is important. Listen up. Jingle, jingle, jingle. Okay, see a little space? There's a space in between. Do not put this against us. I know you want to, but don't. And then you're gonna have this big piece. It should be about basically the space of here. You're gonna put it underneath the little white piece here. Yay! You have got a part done. You got the base. Okay, so, I'm so sorry. It's really hard to remember the things because I have to look at pictures on my phone. This is where I place the eye. Yeah. I'm gonna go look back at the pictures so I know where to place my stuff, and then I'm gonna... Okay, so it was really hard to do. Don't worry. Those extra parts on it are gonna be placed. It was just so I remember where to put them. So you are gonna have a piece like this. 6. And it's gonna go right there in between those two pieces you already had. So you got like little twos like that. There you go. And remember, they don't have to be flat. They can just be anything. See this little square here? I'm gonna put it right there. Oh, fuck. Don't mind me. I'm so sorry. Put a 4th piece right here. Right over it. And then you are going to have this piece. And it's gonna go right over here. Like that. And okay, so you're gonna have this piece and it's gonna go right there, and then this piece goes right here with like 2 little pieces sticking out. I'm gonna have it I'm gonna let you see it so you know how many spaces there are. I'm pretty sure it was 12, but you know. So yeah, have like 2 little pieces poking out here, and then 1 poking out there. But you don't even have to add these extra detail pieces. They're just for funsies, you know? So, okay. You are gonna have it going like this over the spot. So, line like that. And then, okay. Gonna have this right here. Okay, so, sorry. You're gonna have this piece, and it's just gonna go like that. And I'm sorry, I literally can't put the eye in right now. This is what the finished product looks like. Yeah. That's the video. Hi. So my cat's over there. So thank you. Sorry for the lighting. Thank you for watching this video. It's my second on the